Kathleen Kelly. Hello, this is a coincidence. Would you mind if I sat down?
Yes, I would. Actually, I'm expecting someone. Thanks.
Pride and Prejudice.
Do you mind?
I bet you read that book every year. I bet you just love that Mr. Darcy, and your sentimental heart just beats wildly at the thought that he and, well, you know, whatever her name is, are truly, honestly going to end up together. Can I get you
Come
something?
on, you can do
He's
it.
not staying.
Mochaccino.
Come on.
No, you are not staying.
Got yourself up there, you can get yourself down there.
Gee, is he late?
The heroine
Careful.
of Pride and Prejudice is Elizabeth Bennet.
Come
She's
on.
one of the greatest and most complex characters ever written.
Go
Not that
on.
you would know.
As a matter of fact, I've read it.
Oh, well, good for you.
I think you discover a lot of things if you really knew me.
I really
Good
wanna know about the
boy.
cash register and
Clever boy.